Yes, my people. Just me watch a video yesterday. I think that video they come out of Nigeria, where the police them just run on man. Not sure if a police, but seems like a police run on 3 youth where run and just murder them. And I them type of something that we say, I them the same type of something that go on in Jamaica. Them just murder the youth them. Me not defend no kind of criminal and thing, but some people get murdered too by the police. Jamaica Jamaica, even the people them, the regular people them feel like say police them for just go around and murder people. Me notice that Jamaica is like the quick fix thing. Them life with us. If I go to hospital and something wrong with the foot, them just chop it off instead of them going and fix the vein or whatever, and just chop it off. Same thing with the hand. So it's a quick thing, quick fix thing I want to Jamaica. But this is the thing. Them just can't think. And them say every day them a fight crime and thing, and yes, them youth, enough of them youth and if you go lock up. Then if you go lock up. But first, as I say over and over and over again, if you go fight crime, you need to build some prison. Right now you need to put a prison in a St. James. Put a prison in a St. James, a big one. Put one in Clarendon, Spanish Town. Kingston need another one, a big one. And just put them in a parish. Cause you have a whole heap of people need to lock up. And another thing, you shouldn't have a prison in Jamaica where them wear clothes, regular street clothes. Dressing tell a lot about the person. So when you have people in a prison wear dress clothes or wear clerks and badman clothes, him scare up the other rest of people them. Then if you wear uniform, everybody look the same. No matter if you're a doctor, judge come in there, you look the same as a regular person. Everybody just look the same. Everybody in the prison system free wear uniform. Right? And the government have to spend $1 more than the money where them have spend for build the prison them. And first of all, if you check the people them in the prison, most of them are laborer. Check and see. Every time you hear them lock up a man, you hear them a laborer. Alright? So what the government have to do? And it's so simple. Because I know them are worried about money. They want to thief for money anyway. But them are worried about money. This is the way you do it. You have all of these laborer. You don't have to build it. First of all, I don't like to see the prison when them build with wall. Them something old fashioned thing. With them wall around the place. I mean, you can't fence around. The man them can't escape if you build it right and you have a guard them work. America build prison out of fence. Just watch it on YouTube. Google it. It build out a fence. A double fence with razor wire on top of it. With razor wire in the middle, razor wire on the back fence, and a road all the way around the prison. You have a whole heap of land in Jamaica for build prison them. Alright? So as I say, once them build the fence and the gate and everything, you drive in the prison of them. You have prisoner in a prison where what them call them now, like Anna prisoner. Them are good behaving prisoner. Not everybody in a prison are bad people. Right? And you also have a whole heap of innocent people in there. And that's the part women I like. But so you drive these people in and let them build the inside structures them. Right? Alright, so in each prison you have to specialize a prison in whatever farming or whatever industry you want. Like uniform, them build uniform. You build you have Folcom, big old Folcom, large Folcom, where them them are gonna support themselves. A human being we're gonna have in there. So that means you don't have to spend $1 upon them really. No tax money have to spend upon them. Them can raise fowl. The fowl can sell upon the street. Them can raise cow. All type of stuff. Them can build this, build that, build furniture for school, build everything. Anything we can build, they are human being, they can build it. Once you bring the machine in and have trainers that train them, they also can wash a certain section of the prison. Police vehicle can drive in and get washed. Right? Ambulance, whatever, government vehicle can get washed. All of these things, just have some ideas, and get creative with the ideas them. right? And everybody in a prison, I don't think a person should sit down in a prison unless they're disabled, unless they're not fit to work. They shouldn't sit down in there and not work and not go to school. You know, you can't do half day work, half day school. You can't do if a person don't want to go to school and work full day, right? You sleep better when you work, right? And I don't think you should have them in there go through any kind of you know, I mean, you should have ceiling fan or AC unit. A human being, and that's when we say some of the people them in there innocent, right? So I mean, these are simple things. You can have the same and a prisoner them will come out and cut the street side, you know, stuff like that. I mean, these things can be done and it's simple. So this is what I want to put out to the government. You know, I hope it get to them. Because I not see why it's so hard. You have Foul Cube out here, all type of people build Foul Cube and make a whole lot of money. So why Foul Cube can end there and the prison make a whole lot of money? A whole heap of things will need to be done, the prisoners them can't do it. You have trainers over them will stand up over them and you know, deal with them, talk to them good like a human being. You know, the bad one them where you can't control, you put them somewhere else. You know. So do these things. Please do these things. Get creative, government, and stop thinking about murder the youth them. Lock them away, man. If them are bad people, you lock them away. Right? Just lock them away, man. So that we want to say. We don't want the man them just murder the man them just a murder grown and just a murder. Just think about murder people. So I mean, come on, what kind of conscience you have after you murder? Just go on and just a squeeze gunshot in a people's head. Just do something better. First of all, if you keep these people alive, you get more information out of them one day. So let's do this. Can't just think about killing. And what wrong with we so? Why what? Black people can't stand one another. You know, so I go look deeper. It seems like black people just can't stand one another. It seems like when we see one another, we just get angry. Or what? We curse? Just think about it. It seems like we curse. We just can't stand one another. It no matter where you go in the world. Can we travel? It seems like we just can't stand one another. Or what? So we need to do better. And we can't have these negative, you know, and if we really, I don't want to stretch out this too long, but we can't have these negative people around with life nowadays. If you notice that the negative people, them have all like power. You have people like Trump, America, where negative like one, wicked like one. Look there. You have people run behind him. You have these DJ people control with kids, that them are grow with kids now, and appear negativity, appear gun thing and them something, that them type of something there. I run the world right about now. If I was Prime Minister, I ban enough of them music, and I tell you that. I ban them. I don't care what nobody wants about this or what. You have to go make better song with entertaining. I don't want to entertain by no gun song. Because that will mess up the youth, them make them end up in the way I talk about right now. I don't want to hear them song there. I don't want to hear nothing about no gun and no killing and all that something there. You just mess up the youth them mind. And if all I know I make them type of song there, only if you know so you have youth to come. So what you not do to the youth them, I tell you a story. I know a man who used to bad, you know. And right now I'm afraid. And I look on it and I say to myself, say, you see, I him set it. He set it for you them and you them get wicked on him. And now I'm afraid for walk. But you used to bad. But I never stretched out no people. When you just watch me a video them here. Yeah man, so bless.